Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a special video, more of like a, tribute video. Because this year, the Roman year, 2026, marks the anniversary of many significant things. This video will briefly cover 3 of those things. First and foremost, 2026 marks the 500th anniversary of the first edition of the English New Testament, translated from the Textus Receptus by that wonderful man right there, William Tyndale. Again, 1526. So that's exactly 500 years ago. Very significant. The second thing 2026 marks is the 100th year anniversary, because back in 1926, that man right there, Herbert Armstrong's wife, after 9 years of marriage, began keeping the seventh-day Sabbath. Mr. Armstrong said that was religious fanaticism. Because keep in mind, he was a businessman. He wasn't converted yet. So his wife challenged him, well, show me where the Bible says to keep Sunday, and I'll go back to it. He said she said it with a smile. So he studied and studied the Bible, and like he studied being in business, and he couldn't find it. So that's what led to Mr. Armstrong's conversion. His wife challenged him about the seventh-day Sabbath. And as Mr. Armstrong said, he had to eat crow. He was wrong, his wife was right. And that's what started and sparked his interest in actually what the Bible says. All right, and then the third thing that this video covers, 2026 marks the 40th anniversary of Mr. Armstrong falling asleep, dying. He died January 16th, 1986, 40 years ago. So this is just a short video to pay tribute to him. There's an original Ambassador College lapel pin. Bless God. So a stack of Mystery of the Ages behind everything. This is the second best, my favorite, well, I should say second favorite book next to the Bible. And that's what it's intended to be. So I'll leave a link for a free copy, both digital, and you can request a physical copy too. Again, just a short tribute video of all these events. So, and then too, I'd like to thank Mr. Armstrong when he's resurrected and shake his hand for not quitting. So what a wonderful man. Just a short tribute to God's apostle. 40 years. Wow.